I'm Lizzy.
And I'm Sarah with 7 in all. And today we're going to be making Ambrosia Salad. I usually do these recipe videos by myself, but today I have my guest star, Lizzy, and she's going to be helping me make Ambrosia Salad today.
Now this salad is something that's actually super easy to make and it's super yummy. It's not a health food, I'll say that.
Definitely not. But none of our cooking videos have been, so
you shouldn't be surprised. So we're gonna quickly tell you the ingredients so you can get ready and then we can make it together. You're gonna need some little marshmallows like these, and you're gonna need some canned mandarin oranges. We have 3 cans like this. You're also going to need some pineapple chunks. If you accidentally buy the kind that are a little too big, you can just chop them up into more like tidbit size. And then the last and most interesting ingredient is the sour cream.
that one's always a shocker.
Okay.
Wow, this is really good fruit salad. What do you make it out of?
Oh, you know, pineapple, oranges, marshmallows. You can see those. But the secret ingredient is sour cream.
What? First things first, open the cans and save the juice.
You want to make sure that you clean the tops of the cans before you open them because you don't want any dust or anything that got on the tops of the cans to get into the fruit salad. We're just going to pour the juice into this bowl right here and save the fruit in the can for now. So when I was growing up, we would always have this salad at any kind of family gathering that we had. It could be a birthday party, it could be Christmas, it could be Thanksgiving, it could be Chinese New Year, all of the above. It's something that is a favorite at any kind of party that we have, and it's easy to make and it's super yummy. Now you can actually add walnuts, but when you have a lot of kids in your family like we do, the walnuts are always the least favorite part. So today we're not going to be adding walnuts, but you can if you want them. They do add a nice crunch. Okay, update. I've opened these 3 cans and Sarah has halfway opened up this can. Pro tip, make sure you have a can opener that works, that helps the process. We have rejected this one.
New can opener.
Take
Hopefully
2.
it works this time.
Take 2.
Oh yeah.
That's working a lot better. Okay, while Sarah's chopping up our pineapple, I put a little bit of the sauce from the cans of fruit into this bowl. Not a lot, just a little bit. And now I'm going to put in the sour cream. I'm just going to put in this whole package of sour cream. It's not a super scientific recipe. That's what makes it very easy. And you want to put it in this order. You want to put in the juice and the sour cream first. That way you can mix it together and the sour cream can get more watery. That'll help it mix with the marshmallows. So I'm just going to mix this up, and then after that we're going to add the marshmallows and start adding the fruit. We are going to save one of the cans and not add it into the salad because we're going to save that as the garnish on the top. You can use those as decorative pieces. So you can see I'm just mixing in the sour cream with the juice. Trying to get all the lumps out. Okay, now I'm going to add the marshmallows. Now, this is something that is really great to take to Potlucks because it's easy, it's delicious, it's a favorite, and I've actually never been to a potluck that has had anything like this. Have you?
No.
So it's not, you don't have to be worried about, oh, if someone else brings the same thing. Although, might I just say, potluck. Potluck. That's why they call it luck. because you never know what's going to happen. And I, for one, do not appreciate the trend to make potlucks pot plans, where you have to plan everybody, what everyone is taking, and make sure we have the perfect right amount of ratio to vegetables and fruits and cookies, and oh, we don't want everyone to bring macaroni and cheese. Hey, it's a potluck. If everyone brings macaroni and cheese, that's fine. That's what a potluck is. Okay, now we're gonna start folding in the pineapple and the mandarin oranges. And you want to not mix it up too hard because the mandarin oranges are pretty delicate. And you don't want them to break.
The mandarin oranges are sensitive.
Yes.
Don't you hate it when there's raisins in fruit salads?
Oh, I hate raisins. Okay, raisins in fruit salad, that's pretty bad, but you know what's a lot worse?
What?
Raisin cookies, because they look like chocolate chip cookies, and they're not.
Anything red bean flavored?
Oh, yeah.
Because it looks like chocolate.
I agree, that's the worst too. Okay, now what are we doing?
Now we are putting this in our fancy.
Well, I think we have to stir it up a little bit more. Okay, you stir it up a bit. Make sure you, fold it. You don't want to smush all the mandarin oranges if you can. If they get a little squished, that's fine.
Yeah, helps get the juice out of them.
Now, if you have it a little bit more fruity or a little more marshmallowy, doesn't matter. As long as you taste it and it's yummy, then it's good.
Okay.
Okay, we're almost ready. We're going to pour it into the bowl or the platter that we have here. And before we do that, I just want to show you how much juice we have left. You don't put in all the juice. We have a bunch of juice here that you can just drink and use for other recipes, or if you're having like a fruit punch, it's great for that. You could put it in soups or stew, you know.
Stew.
Okay.
Don't take all the baking advice on this channel.
And there you go.
Well, now I suddenly want to taste stew with pineapple juice in it.
It's Hawaiian. Okay. Just spread it around. Flatten it out. And then make sure your hands are super clean. And then you're gonna take our last can of mandarin oranges, and you can do a little design. I think we'll do some around the edges. Okay, so you can do that. I think it's
Here's the finished Ambrosia salad. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and tell us what you like to bring to potlucks in the comment section down below. Hey Joey.
Oh, hey Sarah, how's it going?
It's going good. Do you want some stew?
Some stew? You know, I'm actually really hungry. I would love some stew.
Okay.
Mmm. It smells interesting. Ooh,
It's
stew.
really good.
Mm. Wow. Is it chicken or?
No, it's pineapple.
Oh, pineapple stew. Oh, thanks. Very good.